Established in 2022, Jabil's Salt Lake City facility supports the localization of U.S. manufacturing jobs and provides flexible manufacturing capacity for the renewable energy sector, backed by the reach and resources of Jabil's global network. Spanning over 350,000 square feet, Jabil's Salt Lake City site delivers solutions for a range of energy storage and solar customers, serving the commercial and industrial, residential, and grid-scale markets. Located near Salt Lake International Airport and Union Pacific Rail lines, the site offers strong access to road and rail infrastructure, making it a strategic hub for domestic manufacturing in the central U.S. More than 400 highly trained and technically skilled workers are ready to help meet the growing demand for reliable energy storage. In 2025, Jabil is on track to build and ship 30% of all U.S. battery energy storage system installations. Through scalable production, strong project management, cost control, and automation solutions tailored to technical and economic requirements, Jabil helps customers accelerate time to market, increase flexibility, and reduce manufacturing risk and cost. These core capabilities are further strengthened by adjacent services such as design for manufacturing, testing, qualification, VAVE, assembly, validation, automation, and supply chain management. Jabil Salt Lake City operates with the highest level of safety standards. Building on that, we implement automation at the level that best fits each product and customer, ranging from semi to fully automated solutions. Whether it's in Salt Lake City or across our global network of manufacturing sites, both leading brands and new disruptive players rely on Jabil as a safe pair of hands to meet their design, supply chain, and manufacturing needs, from concept to completion. Because at Jabil, we strive to make anything possible and everything better.